Right, now we got one of Mick's favourites, the Mountfield 414, and don't know anything about it except it's got a new carburetor and it won't start. Let me bring you down. There you go. Let's give it a pull, give it a prime. Can't hear the primer doing anything. No. So let's get it in the workshop, up on the bench, and see what we can do. Right, we're back on this Mountfield 414, one of Mick's favourites. I'm going to check the plug, and I found an original carburetor because somebody's put one of the cheap carburetors on it. So I'll get round to that and we'll get done. Right, let's get this plug out. I'll probably be in your way. What have we got? Bit rich. Yeah, bit rich. That was a brand new plug. I know it was because he came to get it off me. So anyway, we know that's running rich. I'm not happy with that Chinese carburetor. I'm going to take that off and I'm going to put an original Honda one on. Let's go for it, shall we? 210 mil. Yeah, we drop that one. No, we're looking at these, it's got studs on. Oh, didn't do well with that, did we? Here we go. Put it in the magnet tray. Right. We've got a third one. I don't think we have on this. Primer pipe. Breather. Breather pipes on that. Can I bring you? Can I zoom you in a bit more? There we go. I think I've brought you in a bit more now. Right. Got the carburetor. Will be loose. One of the spacers off the air cleaner. I didn't look at that. Both of them. Look at that. The magnet tray. Hope you can hear me okay. Whew. Now that only bent down a couple of times and I'm out of breath already. Whew. Getting used to it these days, but still not nice. Fuel pipe. Right, we're probably going to have a leak from that. I'm going to put my bum. Go up there. Should stop. Get a cloth. Wipe that fuel off. hooked up. So we'll go for throttle. Fuel pipe in the way. Put that over there. Should make life easier. Throttle out, spring out. Governor spring that was. Good job we got gaskets, isn't it? Right, there it is. Honda Standard Japan. Would that be genuine? You know, I really don't know. What makes me think it's not, it's got this mixture screw on. They're usually blanked on the genuines. So we'll check the numbers. It's got me confused. Oh, this is a copy. See that straight away. But that carburetor's bad anyway. What do I do? I'm going to go check these numbers, because if that's the genuine carb, that's the one I want to stay with, as you could imagine. So I'll come back to you in a moment. There we go, we're back. Right, check the numbers. Was genuine carburetor. Honda, checked all the numbers, all matched. So why you told me it was a cheap carburetor on that, I was gobsmacked when I pulled that off. But saves me a carburetor, saves me my genuine. I've cleaned it, I've put it back on, and we'll see where we go from there. Right, I'll go and bolt it all up. I'll let you watch if you want. I'm sure you've seen it before. Mick's done plenty, hasn't he? There we go. Go. Right. Some tools, some air cleaner. Right, put this breather pipe, that should go. Primer bulb connected. Breather connected. Now we'll put both of those spacers in before we forget. Nuts. Spacers. Oh, I dropped one. Well, I'll have to go and find that one. You'll have to bear with me. Well, I thought I was being so good. I'll have to come back to you again. Right, we're back. Mrs. S came and found it. I couldn't, so let's continue. Let's not drop another one, eh? Priming beautifully. There we are. Right, we'll give the plug a quick clean. If I can find where I put it. Yes, you had it, didn't you? Yeah, it's been one of them days today. See, Rob from Rob's Engine Repairs has been busy. Bruce's shop, he's been busy. Everybody seems to have been busy. I've been busy with loads of stuff that I didn't really want to put on the YouTube. Yeah, you can't see what I'm doing, can you? Going to put a wire brush into the drill because I like to use it for cleaning my plugs. As I said, this was a new plug, so we'll give it a clean. I'm going to put it back in. Still with me? Here we go. Still with me. Don't need a lot because they're aluminium heads, so we don't want to do the threads in, do we? I think we use these impact guns these days and we get used to where the pressure should be without everything. Right, the filter was good in this, so we'll put that back in. Does look a bit grubby, but honestly it's quite good. Let's put the cover on. I have got new ones, I just don't feel that it warrants it at the moment. It was priming well. Right, we're going to go for a fire up. I'm going to take it outside and do it because I've been told off for running machines in the shed without an extractor fan, which is actually quite right. So until I get an extractor fan, I'm going for startups outside, just like Mick from Mick's Motors does. He always takes his outside unless he's got one that he wants to just fire quickly to see if it fires. So I'm going to take a leaf out of everybody else's book until I get an extractor fan, which I should need for the winter. I'm going to go outside. So when we go for a fire up, I'll catch you outside. I'll put the camera on.